Sammy, and it's a Pfizer review. So I'm gonna be playing oh, we won. MM2. This is my first time playing with my voice. This is MMV, not MM2. It's called Focus. If you guys want the game, it's called Focus. I don't know why like names are called Focus, Vanny, bro. Eh. How do they have a red I, I, I'm gonna dress India so let's feel. So let's do this like that, like this, like this. That's it. That's the thing I'm gonna do. I ain't doing anything. It's just that I want a solution. But it's alright. It's okay. I'm innocent again. Alright. My mission is to dab while playing as Focus. Hocus Pocus. Oh no 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 no. I ain't gonna rage quit, even though like I wish I can. But like I just wanted to make this more fun for you guys. Of course. I love you guys. I just wanna know, how did that girl get a celestial? Like bro. Now I'm gonna go as Kyle if I even find him. No, 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 lo, 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 lo. Pinky up, up, pinky up, up, pinky up. Oh, Loki did not find. Oh, hey, you're hiding. And her emotes is so cute. She's actually so cute. First, you gotta put a back to the beat. Then you gotta put a beep beep back. Then you gotta put it on. Loki, they gotta make this smile. Oh, why are you doing this? Alright. We're about to crash out. It's alright. What crash out? What do you mean by that? Alright, let's see, what am I? Okay, innocent again. Oh. You know what? I'm gonna change my that's for you guys to know, this is not MM2, this is MMV. You guys know the name. This is the name of the game. Hocus Pocus. Focus is the name of the game. Do they, wait, I really want to see, do they have catch catch? Maybe they do. Bro, where are the emotes? Where are those emotes? Out, yeah. This is the low chorus toll. But you what? Party at the beach. Don't go back up down. Wait. Why do they not wanna? Wait. Alright, I'm low-key scared. I keep hearing the knife, and I'm low-key scared because they don't know how to play. I don't even know where I'm going right now. Oh. He's invisible. I see him. I'm not that dumb, bro. I'm not dumb. Oh, I'm dumb as my brother. I'm not gonna say bad word. I look you wanna crash out. I hug you wanna. It's okay. It's okay. I look you wanna actually cry. Oh, let's go. I'm actually the best in sheriff. Why is there my gun there? Okay, let's see. I just looking at a six, no, seven. Oh, what if she's the killer? Miss Miller. Miss Miller. I'm okay scared. I hear the knife. I hear the knife running through my blood. And all the things that I do. Oh my god, I hear her. She's gonna kill me. She's gonna get me up in myself. She looks like the murderer. I'm scared to kill the one who's not the murderer. Look. What can I do? What? Why? See? After 300 and million, billion, billion. No! After one try. Like, bro, that's low-key kind of cool. But, ooh, a little. You see? No, it's not you. Get out of here. Get out of here. Lily. I know how to play. Haha. These magic. I mean, I know it's silly. Please. Yes. I'm the best in murder. I'm the best in all roles. Hi, is a boy, is a boy, is a boy, boy. I'm gonna be fair and square. Lemon bag. Ooh, what if he's a brown setter, huh? You know I'm good at aiming. And my aim is actually good, but not with the knife. I know how to play. I'm not a kid. Just whoever takes time. But oh my god. I hit somebody got the thing. She doesn't know how to aim. Oh, let's go. I don't actually. No. Let's not go. Actually, let's go with a friend. With my mother. I don't know if I'm gonna do a face reveal, but I just did a face reveal, so let's go part to part. All right? Part. It's part. Oh my god. I love it. actually my favorite. Like Loki is my favorite. Loki. Loki. I am innocent this time. I'm actually happy I'm innocent. Here's a boy, here's a boy. You don't even kiss me. Let's see. Oh! I'm so happy I got disconnected. I'm low-key gonna crash out. I'm high-key gonna crash out. Not low-key. I'm gonna crash out. Not even high-key, not low-key, not even medium key. I'm actually gonna crash out. If you guys see my face in IRL, I'm gonna be. You're gonna. Right, I'm with people who are not teamers. I'm looking for something. A celestial. Looking for a celestial that I'm not finding. Why am I not finding it? Alright, okay, I got my two favorites. So we have a players in the server. Let's specificate. You know, let's try to do an emote. Yes, girl, shake it. Why am I doing that? Yes. Yes, girl. Let's specify. So there's Barbie and Michelle. Barbie and Michelle. Barbie and Michelle. Barbie is the sheriff. Hi, is a boy, he's a boy, he's a boy, silly, Melly, Willy. Oh, kill her. I need this game to be over. I want to play. Oh, ooh, good aim, bro. Good aim. Damn, you got some aim. God damn. You know, like me, eat all. Beep, no. Okay, the murderer has won. I'm happy for them. Loki, I'm not. I just wanna say that so, you know. I love X-Ray. It's my favorite. You gotta put a beep like then you can do it at a beat. Okay, we're playing. What am I? Innocent again? No. Yeah, I'm not innocent again. I'm disconnected. This is MMB because I'm poor. So poor. Broke as my mom. I'm sorry. I love you, Mom. Broke as my wallet, even though I don't have it. Loki, I have 3 wallets. I don't know why. I don't know Loki. Loki is my favorite. Loki. Can you guys count how many Lokis I have been saying this whole Loki day? All right, I guess. Hi, Isab. That's hard choice. All right, let's go to workplace. Everything is gnarly. Not gnarly. Let me do an emote. I love cat. Oh my god. I love the jump. Wee. What is my twin? Is like the Mercury. Whoa, 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 whoa. Just heard a knife. Ooh, again. Ooh. Scared of everybody now. I'm on my bed right now. I'm like, I'm, I'm not gonna cash out. I'm not like stupid Kyle. Okay. I'm really, really, really tired. So, bye, guys. I'm not gonna finish until I say bye. Wait. How do you get the victory face on my back? Wait. I can't even. How about Alright, so I'm level 100 in this game. Alright, let me say bye and see you guys. And what is love? Wait. Hey, guys.